You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this Greek pre-Socratic philosopher. By the way, if you want to learn more names from Greek philosophy that are absolutely confusing, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. English pronunciation of this name. Empedocles is how it is pronounced. Let's break it down. Empedocles. How to pronounce in English? It's pretty straightforward once you know Empedocles, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.